Hello.
Hi.
What is your name and where are you from, sir?
Ingon imong ngalan og taga-aha ka.
I'm Roland Abante. I am from Philippines.
The Philippines. What will you be doing for us today?
Unsa imong himuon karon?
Mukanta ko sa kakanta.
So he's gonna sing tonight.
You're gonna sing for us, okay? And so, are you a singer in the Philippines?
So gakanta gyud ka sa Pilipinas?
Mukanta ra ko kanang mga silingan nga naay bijukihan.
So in the Philippines, he just sing in the neighborhood where they have karaoke.
Okay, so you do it as karaoke. For fun.
Can I ask you a question? You have a day job?
Unsa imong trabaho sa Pilipinas nga makakuha kag kwarta?
Sa buntag, mangisda ko and then inigkamudto, mag-abal-abal driver ko, delivery.
So in the Philippines, my work is in the morning, I'm a fisherman. And in the afternoon, I do drive a motorbike and I deliver passengers and goods.
Wow. Amazing. So why America's Got Talent?
You make him cry.
Every night I see in my cell phone only because this is my big dream to get there.
To be here.
I'm with you, Roland.
Roland, do you want to have a hug before you start or you good?
Okay lang ka mo kanta karon? Okay lang?
Okay.
Okay ra daw.
Good luck to you.
Wow. That's the biggest catch of the day.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Okay, Roland, are we ready now?
Ready na ka?
Yes.
Okay.
Good luck to you.
Vamos!
He's so nervous.
I'm nervous now for him too.
This means a lot.
When a man loves a woman, can't give his mind on nothing else. He tried to war for the good things fine. If she's planning for the poor, this is the last one to know. The love in us can never see. Whoa. When a man loves a woman, I give you everything I can. Trying to hold on to your precious love. 'Cause baby, please don't treat me bad. When a man loves a woman, deep down in his soul, she can bring him such a misery. If she's playing for a fool, and he's the last one to know. 'Cause baby, when a man loves